South Korea reported 22 new COVID-19 cases, meaning the daily increase was kept under 30 for 5 days straight. Health authorities will review if it's necessary to extend the high-intensity social distancing. Choi Jeong-yoon tells us more.
With the daily number of new infections remaining below 50, the government will announce this weekend whether it will open up more facilities and ease some of the legally enforceable restrictions. The recommendation for social distancing of 2 meters would, however, remain in place. South Korea reported 22 new cases of COVID-19 on Friday, the 5th straight day the number has been below 30. This brings the total number of infections to 10,635, with the death toll standing at 230. According to the KCDC, 14 out of 22 new cases were people who'd recently arrived from overseas. 11 were found through screening when they entered the country, and the other 3 were diagnosed later in the communities. In the last 2 weeks, more than half of the new cases were imported and another 10% were connected to imported cases. There are now far fewer people entering the country, only 3,000 to 4,000 a day, after South Korea suspended short-term visas from this week. To make quarantine procedures more efficient, the government has decided to adjust the arrival times of international flights. Those scheduled to arrive from 10 p.m. to 7 in the morning will instead come in between 5 a.m. and 8 p.m. at the latest. This will eliminate the need for passengers to wait overnight at the airport for a ride.
Those arriving in the country are advised to use their own vehicles, but if they can't, we're providing dedicated buses and private seats on the KTX trains. They are not allowed to use the airport railway or city buses.
This is expected to prevent the transmission of the virus within local communities. Choi Jeong-yoon, Arirang News.